Understanding oven light, a phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase oven light. Whether you're baking a cake or just heating up some leftovers, knowing this term will surely light up your English vocabulary, quite literally. So let's get started. An oven light is a built-in feature in modern ovens. It's a small light bulb located inside the oven that allows you to see inside without opening the door. This is particularly useful when you want to check on your food without letting heat escape. But oven light can also refer to the action of turning on this light to see your food while it's cooking. In literal terms, the oven light is exactly what its name suggests, a light for the oven. However, figuratively speaking, when someone says they have their oven light on, they could be playfully suggesting they are thinking about or expecting something eagerly, much like watching a delicious meal cook. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use oven light in everyday conversation. I left the oven light on so I could see when the pie was golden brown. Could you please check if the chicken is done? Just switch the oven light on and take a look. I feel like my oven light is on, waiting for the weekend to arrive. Remembering the phrase, oven light, can be easy if you associate it with the physical action of checking on something you care about. It's not just a utility, it's a metaphor for anticipation and care. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, oven light. We hope this has shed some light on your English learning journey and that you can now use this phrase with confidence. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep practicing to make your English shine. See you in the next video.